When it comes to retirement, I'm sure you've heard all of the letters and numbers. 401k, IRA, 403b, TSP. Confusing, right? Just tell me what the best one is. That's why today we're going to look at two of the most popular retirement accounts, the 401k and the IRA. We'll look at the pros and cons of both so that you know which direction to move with your retirement savings. So hit those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. For those joining me for the first time, I'm Caleb and my goal is to teach you the boring topic of finance in an entertaining way. I am truly honored that you're here. Everyone's always like,
"Oh, retirement savings, you need to get ready for retirement, you're only 26.
They're right. But I mean, retirement is more complicated than your relationship status on Facebook. It'd be a lot easier if you could just take that money that you need, just throw it into a savings account every month and call it done. Sadly, that won't cut it. We've got to take advantage of what Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest. This is where if you had $100 invested and you were receiving a 10% interest rate, you would earn $10 to add to your $100 that you already have. Then you're earning interest on not only your $100, but on your $10 as well. Next time you receive an interest payment, it's going to be $11 on top of the $110 that you already have, bringing the total up to $121. Every year your total gets higher and higher because you're earning interest on interest. That's what your retirement accounts are going to do, barring any economic disaster. They'll use your money in the stock market to increase your rate of return over that of what a normal bank would be, making that compound interest so sweet. So let's get into retirement accounts. But quick disclaimer. Okay, but seriously. Now, I'm not a financial advisor and I don't have a license for anything financially speaking. So keep that in mind. Now, what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description down below so that you can find a good financial advisor to help you with the intricacies of investing and preparing for retirement. Okay, now the fun part. Here's a quick rundown of the 401k. 1. This is an employer retirement account, which means you're able to invest money straight from your paycheck through your employer. 2. As of 2021, you're allowed to invest up to $19,500 of your salary per year into your 401k. 3. You can take advantage of an employer match through most 401ks. This basically means that if you invest a certain percentage of each paycheck into your 401k, your employer is going to match that. It's like free money. 4. It's a little restrictive in terms of where it's invested because it has to be with your employer's 401k provider of choice. So for me, my company uses Fidelity for their 401k, which means I have to have my 401k invested through Fidelity. 5. You're not allowed to withdraw any money from your 401k until you're 59 and a half. If you do, there's a 10% tax penalty that's going to be added to that withdrawal. Now a quick word from our sponsor, our poor, dry Christmas tree. You warmed our hearts this Christmas season as you stood there lit up, beautiful and decorated, and now you will warm our hands. Thank you. Now a quick rundown for the IRA. 1. As of 2021, you're allowed to invest up to $6,000 into your IRA per year. 2. It's got a lot more flexibility in terms of where it's invested because it's not linked up to any employer. You can open your IRA with any company that offers one. 3. You can withdraw your contributed money from your IRA before you're 59 and a half without a penalty. But the money in the IRA that's there because of growth must stay in there until you're 59 and a half. Otherwise, it's going to get that same 10% tax penalty that the 401k had. Now to clarify, with both retirement accounts, you're allowed, nay, encouraged to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm with no penalty at all. Okay, within each retirement account, there are a couple different options. As if this wasn't already confusing. There is the traditional option and there is the Roth option. With the traditional option in either 401k or IRA, the money that's contributed is contributed pre-tax. Meaning, if this is your gross paycheck, this is the amount that's taken for your retirement, and then the IRS takes a portion of the rest for taxes. With the Roth option in 401k or IRA, the money that's contributed is contributed post-tax, which means if this is your gross paycheck, the IRS is going to tax the whole thing, and then you'll take a portion of the rest for retirement. Just looking at those, you're like, wait, one is taxed and the other one isn't? Traditional is the way to go. Now here's the kicker. While the traditional 401k or IRA has contributions that are made before taxes are taken out, everything you take out of that account after you retire is taxable income. With Roth, your taxes are taken out first and then contributions are made. But everything that's in that retirement account, including the growth, is able to be withdrawn tax-free after you retire. Now that's significant. If you're my age and you've got about 40 years of work left, but you're investing at about an average of 6% rate of return, you're looking at about 25% of your total retirement account being contributions that you made. The other 75% is growth. That means if you have $1 million in your retirement account by the time you retire, about $750,000 of that is entirely growth. That is a lot of money in taxes that you can save if that's a Roth 401k or a Roth IRA. If it's a traditional account, you have to pay taxes on all the contributions and all the growth. So I'll pose the question to you. Is retirement just a little less confusing now? Did I make it more confusing? Did Ohio State lose last night, or were we all dreaming that? I want to hear from you in the comments below, and I'll respond to everyone. Oh, and make sure that you gently smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because that's how YouTube shares small channels with other people. I'm relying on you here. Oh, okay. Desperate doesn't look good. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because then you can stay up to date on all the videos I have coming out to help you make progress in your finances. Remember, money doesn't have to be confusing. Chocolate milk is delicious. And me and my tiny desk are out.